Let's say that one of our friends designed our logo, but he designed it in Photoshop and saved it as a JPEG file, so a bitmap. We can anyway import it and place it here. And we can clearly see that it's a bitmap because if we zoom, you see that it's all out of focus. Anyway, with Inkscape we can transform this design from JPEG bitmap image to a vector design. So we should go to Path, Trace Bitmap. And you see here that we have some options. The brightness cutoff is the best option that I suggest you to use. It's a simple way of tracing that skips the light colors and will understand which part is white, which part is black, and then it will create a single path that is your image, so a single vector part. Anyway, aside from this mode, we have some options. For example, we have the brightness threshold, which it works like contrast. It gives information about what is the white part and which one should be black. For example, if I change this value here, you see that also I obtain a different result. Every time you play with these options, you have to click on Update, because there is no automatic preview. The fastest way is to play around with those values, with those numbers, and see what happens. So this is like the contrast part of our image, while these options, it will ignore the small spots, so the single pixels in your image. It's useful to create a smoother path that we can use with Inkscape. Let's see what happens now. I can click on Apply, and it seems that almost nothing has changed, but actually I also have a vector here. Beneath this one is my image, and on top of that I have my vector. I can zoom in and I can see that it's no longer out of focus, because of course it's a vector.